In this third one, what we're doing is called a modified blind. So on this one, you should be facing your paper. You should be able to see your paper. Your hand should be right next to the paper. So it's in you're looking at your hand and the paper's right in your periphery. The problem with the previous two assignments, and you'll notice you probably did a pretty good job, but there'll be like weird proportional things where all of a sudden one finger's like way off to the side or something. So now we can see the paper in our periphery uh, to help constrain the proportions. And I can glance at it every now and then, but I really shouldn't be looking at the paper. You're still just doing one continuous line, so you're still doing a hand-eye coordination thing, and you should be paying attention to line weight changes as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go here. But now I can track a little bit better. Like if I lose my place, I can glance over for just a second and catch where I'm at. I should still be going pretty slow. Remember, don't do the Thanksgiving turkey thing first. And I just glance at my hand every now and then just to find placement, so I can keep proportion a little bit more constrained. But this is still largely a blind drawing. That's why it's called modified blind, because I'm not really looking at the paper, but I'm aware of it in my periphery. Okay, and you should do something. I'm going real quick. You should be a little bit more slow and concentrated in that, but do that for 10 minutes.